We suffer when the desires are more and the fulfillment is less. And there is no extent to the desires, actually. Especially when somebody is greedy to get satisfied. He is actually like a bottomless glass. Can we fill a bottomless glass? No. Even an entire ocean cannot fill a bottomless glass. Similarly, if somebody says, well, that is also my need, that is also my need. In this way, he is entertaining the luxuries on the name of needs. This person is bound to stay dissatisfied. Lesser the needs, more we are satisfied. Like there is saying that those people whose happiness is cheapest, they are the richest. Jinki happiness cheapest hai, they are the richest. Like for example, there are devotees. What is their happiness? To sing Hare Krishna, dance on Hare Krishna. Kitna paisa lagta hai? Phokot ka hai. So devotees are the richest because their happiness is cheapest. Yes. So that way there is no end to having needs and then fulfillment of the needs and then more needs and then fulfillment of those needs as well. And we get into the zone of luxury. And more people live such kind of life, they remain dissatisfied. Yeah. So first thing which Krishna consciousness does to us is that it gives us this intelligence, what is actually